Hello friends, this video shows how to list all the packages installed using Homebrew. So we can use this brew space list command to list all installed packages in alphabetically sorted order. So let me run it. So these are the packages which I installed in my Mac system using brew install command. If you want to see all the installed packages with their dependencies tree, you can use this command brew space dips hyphen tree hyphen install. So you can see it will show the installed package. Then so these are the dependencies of Python package. Then you can see here this SQLite package has another dependency readline. So this way you can find all the installed packages with their dependency tree. Okay, so these are the two options. Brew install to get a simple list and brew dips hyphen tree hyphen install to get a list of all the installed packages with their dependency tree. So please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.